Hello guys, welcome back to Shio's unboxing. And of course, right here, right now, I'd like to just do a quick shout out to Cooler Master for sponsoring all this swag. And trust me, I have been using the other two products previously, the mouse and the keyboard, and it's phenomenal. All right, so I would say that once you touch like new sets of keyboard and mouse, you will get used to it. And of course, not forgetting what I expected is what is unexpected is I thought it would be a same feeling from my previous mouse and keyboard, but once you use it, the sensation is totally different. So I would like to just highly recommend the other. If you haven't watched the other previous two videos, do pop by. I will just link it down below. And of course, if you guys are not keen on the other two video, maybe you are keen to a headset. Here we are. We have the Cooler Master CH321. It's a pretty interesting name. And of course, let's move on to what they provide. Okay, so first thing foremost, we could see that it is like a it allowed you to actually link towards your PC, Xbox One, PS4, PS4 Pro, and then of course we are talking about the ear cuff over here. They did show that there's like a very soft ear cuff. I will go and try that later, and it's a USB connectable. So from what I know, if let's say if it's a USB connectable, or you have the USB port itself, you will actually you will have a better kind of mic and stuff. So I'm not so sure. Later we'll do a quick test. Okay, so let's move on. So so the omnidirection boom microphone that reduce background sound, that is really important, especially when you are playing first person shooter. You really want to know what the hell your your teammates are talking about. Okay, and of course we really want to have this noise isolation. Will be amazing. Let's not talk about first person. It will give you the best experience in terms of playing all those scary games, horror games and stuff. RGB logo once again. I would love to see this right now. Okay, I have not been a big fan of RGB, but I want to see how much they can do, because it's 7 colors, so it's like a rainbow color, isn't it? And of course, removable ear cups. That's most important. And of course, it has a PU leather and it's light. So this is really light. Okay, so I don't know what to say right now, but let's head in straight to the unboxing. This is really good quality products. So let's hit it up. So over here, let's take out the headset real quick. Okay, so products here, headset is here. Alright, before you head into the headset, of course, this is the most crucial thing. So out of all the out of everything, right, one thing I would really suggest everybody to do is to just really go and take a look at their instruction manual, especially if you need to know what they provide. Okay, and okay, wait, this one does not really had this I think not much quick startup guide, I guess. Oh no, wait, there's a PC installation for this. So yeah, so remember to just do that too. Oh wait, it's plug and play, so it's technically speaking it's a pretty quick way of doing stuff. Okay, so just put this one side. Let's put this one side too, and let's head in straight to this bad boy. Don't know if you guys can see it. Side with 2 of this, so their cables are really long. And what I will do with this, I'll try to stream with this the next few videos, actually to really test out the sound quality of this. Of course, just a head up that maybe okay, just a head up because I haven't tested it yet. Without settings, it might not be as good as a condenser mic, so I have no comment about this for the time being. But of course, on the other hand, I would like to just share with you guys that if you are a streamer and you want to use your current headset, as a streaming mic, try to get something better if you are going all out for streaming. Okay, so let's move on. So first thing first that we will see is the volume up and down button over here. So you can actually change your volume from this angle. FYI, the quality of this cable is really awesome. So nothing much on this USB yet, but the feel of this cable, right, it's really cool. I do not know whether if you guys can see this, but it's actually kind of like a braided feel from what I understand. Okay, and as we head up to taking out this thing first, just put this aside real quick. So it's metal. Okay, and let's just take this out real quickly. Setup complete. Okay, so there's a mic here. This is where the mic hole is. So when you speak, please follow this area. Do not like point it up or down. Okay, So you guys can't really see how amazing this headset is. I would really love the logo to be here, frankly speaking. I mean, it's a brand thing, you get what I mean. But of course, the cuffing is actually pretty awesome. And yeah, okay, so let me just quickly plug this in and show you guys the RGB colors. There's one thing for sure is I do not know whether you can change the RGB. Yeah, so I'm going to take a look on how can I change this color. And of course, on the other hand, it looks really, really awesome. And let me just do a quick night talk. So technically speaking, take a look at this. So the mic will be actually glowing and you'll be able to see the lightings here and here on the other end. But it's not much of the color part around here. Ouch. Okay, so right now, there's two things that I need to do. Actually, one thing is to actually test out the sound quality of the CH321. And I won't be comparing with any other products. It's due to the fact that each headset got its own strengths and weakness. So let's not talk about it too much. And of course, I just want to say that this is really light and I really need to go and try that out real quick. Okay guys, so this is the video for me to test the CH321 headset, and I want to say that this is a pretty amazing headset compared to whatever I had on the previous setup. Okay, so first thing first, I want to say that the headset sound quality and the surrounding plus the noise cancelling is really there. So if you're looking for a headset with noise cancelling, this is a good headset. On the next part, if you are a streamer, last time I was saying that you might want to get a condenser mic in between the videos, but I would say that this might be a very good headset for you to start off with. Alright, if you have slightly lower budget, because from what I feel that first thing first, okay, if you have done a correct filtering system, you won't be able to hear quite a lot of all these sounds in between. And of course, if you set your your mic properly, all right, you will not hear a lot of breathing. So I would say that 100% this can be one of the headset for you to do streaming, for you to do content creation, and so on and so forth. But of course, this is all up to you guys who are watching right now for this video. And of course, I'd like to thank all of you for watching this video. All right, and a big shout out to Cooler Master once again for letting me have share all these products to you guys, and of course sending me all this swag to me. And okay, over here I just want to say that this is my first ever 3 videos that I'm doing. I may not be a good video editor or a recorder, but I just hope that it entertains you and give you the information that you need. All right, I'll leave all the product description below. Okay, if you want to buy it, I think I'm not so sure where you can get it, but most of the time they link to Lazada. Frankly speaking, I just want to say that choose your own headset, choose your own keyboard that you feel that is the best. All right, and okay, if not, this is Shirley signing off. Thanks for watching. Remember to just subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. And if you don't like, you know what to do. And of course, remember to stay tuned to my Twitch live stream, usually on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 p.m. and Singapore time. So I guess see you guys there. Thanks for watching.